In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync notebooks across devices in Zoho Notebook. If you capture ideas on your phone, polish them on your laptop, and review them in a browser, seamless syncing keeps everything in step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in on each device, how syncing behaves behind the scenes, and a few simple checks to keep it reliable everywhere you work. Start by getting Notebook onto every device you plan to use. Install the app on iOS or Android, download the desktop version for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, or simply use the web at notebookzoho.com. Open Notebook and choose Sign In. If you're new, create an account first, then sign in. The crucial piece is to use the same Zoho account on every device. Once you're logged in with that one account, Notebook automatically begins syncing all your notebooks and note cards. There's nothing extra to toggle. Give it a moment, especially on the first setup, and you'll see your content appear. One account supports syncing across up to 10 devices, which is more than enough for a phone, tablet, a couple of computers, and the web. Here's what's happening under the hood. Notebook uses cloud-based sync, so your notes live securely on Zoho's servers and travel to your devices as you sign in. Any change you make, creating a new note, editing text, deleting something you no longer need, adding attachments like images or files, or reorganizing notebooks, automatically propagates to your other devices as soon as they come online. You can keep working even when you're offline. If you're on a plane or out of coverage, make your edits as usual. Notebook will queue them up and push everything to the cloud once your connection returns. The time it takes to sync depends on your network speed and the size of what you changed, so larger attachments may take a bit longer. To keep sync dependable, start with connectivity. Sync can only update when a device is connected to the internet. So if you don't see a recent change yet, check Wi-Fi or mobile data and give the app a few seconds to catch up. Always use the same Zoho account across all devices. If you accidentally sign in with a different account somewhere, those notes won't merge. On mobile, review the app's settings to ensure syncing is allowed over Wi-Fi, and if you want instant updates on the go, over cellular data as well. Finally, remember the 10-device